Usumbol mitrang ba kajala megalia ba Prestone Tynsong la ther ting e yakinong elam ko All India Trinamool Congress Zenith sangma nakadaw ko jinglet jurip yaki chaka khappud dakabakno bakadai nakbenta ka chingthmu yo dong saiñpyrthei uba Prestone luang bo Zenith umtep e namar umdei udkhot hak regional committee penbai put kariboi district ulong bola kantup lang ye baro kinong elam snong bat kirang ba snong hakapor ka jing jurip bat lasim yaki kot kislanaki ulong bo Zenith ule jurip tangban mentoi saiñpyrthei bat kadai ka bakla bat kanturu yo u bo unumle kumtei.
See, I think that is totally wrong. Zenith Sama was not a member of the committee. I was the chairman of the committee. So we involved all the traditional head, and then the local headman, and then with the members of the committee, we went there and then we seen everything. And not only that, we collected all the papers, all the documents. We collected from them. So Zenith Sama, he does not know anything. I mean, you just going there to create political mileage. I think that is wrong. I would request him not to do this kind of job, because this is too dirty, and then you can't, as I said to you, nobody could touch this issue unless we took over the government. And that is MDA government who took over the government, and then we were so serious to make sure that solution has to be there in any case, to stop the confusion, to stop the fighting among brothers and sisters, be it from Assam or be it from Meghalaya. So this is what we are doing right now. So I would request that you please don't create confusion at all, because as I said to you, we are sincere and we are here to serve for the betterment of the state as well.